Right, guys. See, sorry for interruption. Past 5 minutes. See, write a Trigger program to take employee records, employee record backup for auditing purpose. I won't take the employee records backup, guys. So, employee records backup means generally we know that in the organizations each and every day, daily the HR department doing some transactions, right or wrong? The company's HR department doing some transactions. What the transaction they're doing? They're recruiting new employees, and some employees are left from the organization. So if any employee is leaving from the organization, generally the HR department they can do simply they delete the record from the database table. Right or wrong? Okay. They delete record from the employees table. Okay, but the company requirement is okay when the HR department delete the record, employee record, but they won't take the backup that record automatically. Okay, for future reference. See, guys, in just one example, suppose you are attending one Accenture or TCS or any MNC company interview. So minimum 6 months. Suppose today you face the interview in Accenture. Okay, suppose your interview is not clear, then next 6 months you are not eligible. You are not eligible to attend the interview. After 6 months only, again it is eligible. Either 3 months or 6 months, that is depends upon the company. Okay, na? How they care? Suppose today you completed interview, okay, but unfortunately the interview is not clear. After that, the same company offered after 1 month, the same company is offered the same designation. You try to apply, but you got one message. You are not eligible. Why? How it is possible? Means at the time of filtering first time, the database is checking using your either phone number or mail ID, okay, or other number or PAN ID, what it may be. They are checking already this person is already interviewed or not. If interviewed, that means inside the database your record is available. Then we got error. Otherwise, interview schedule. Okay. So how it is possible? How it is possible means based on the backup only. Because today you complete the interview that is failed or not, secondary thing, but they take your record backup for future reference. Right or wrong? That is the purpose. We are taking the record backup. Okay. So right, guys. So in this scenario, so set verify first completed. Okay. So whenever I delete the record from employee table, delete from EMP, where employee number equal to 77. I delete record from employee table with the 77. I'm deleting the record right now. Whenever you delete this record, that record I won't take the backup. This is my program requirement. So which operation right now you are doing, guys? I'm doing right now. Delete command, right or wrong? 780. Okay, right. This is my query right now. This is my query. Now, trigger program. Create a replace trigger. Trigger name is backup. EMP backup trigger. EMP backup trigger. Create a replace trigger. EMP underscore backup underscore trigger. But what is the event, guys? Anybody can guess? What is the event? This is my DML command. I'm doing this DML command operation. Tell me guys, what is the event? Anybody can guess? So what are the operation right now? Which operation we are doing? Which DML command? Delete. Okay. Delete. Delete. On which table? Employee table. Delete on EMP. Now you can decide before or after. When I want to take the backup, when we want to take the backup, before delete this record, after delete this record. Generally, everybody say that before, but that is wrong, guys. After delete on EMP. After delete, yes, exactly, Dharani. That is after delete on EMP. After delete on EMP means when the record deleted, when the record is successfully, then your trigger program is executed. That is after delete on EMP for each row. Then begin. But what we can do? See, guys, once your record is deleted, your record again stored in where? Rollback segment. Your record stores in rollback segment. What is stores? Old employee number 7902. Old ename start. Yeah. And old deptn 20. This is this. This is old employee number, old ename, old deptn. This is. Okay. So when the record deleted, the record is available where? Rollback segment. Now the record is old record, existing record only deleted, right? The record. Now this record I want to store into my backup table. So where is the backup table? This record I want to store backup table. Where the backup table? Not available. So first create a backup table with the same structure of EMP table. Create backup table with the same structure of EMP table. So same structure is required, guys. Same structure is required, but without data. Data is not required. In this scenario, select start from EMP where 1 equal to 2. First I read one query. Select start from EMP where 1 equal to means 1 equal to condition true or false. 1 equal to 2 condition is false. When the condition is false, your statement is not executed. See? No row select. Then no rows selected. That is. But internally table is coming, guys. Internally table structure is coming, but there is no record. Right or not? The table only I want to copy. Okay? In this scenario, the same query here, I write down create table EMP backup. As select start from EMP where 1 equal to 2. This is a shortcut method, shortcut query to copying one table to another table. We can create a table from one table to another table without data. Without data. See, describe EMP backup. Yes. Select term EMP backup. Is the records are available? No records. No rows selected. That is no rows select. Okay, right. Table is created, guys, without data. This is shortcut method, guys. Okay. Now, so once the record is deleted from employee table, your record is stored in rollback segment. That record I want to store into my database table. Okay. So when this trigger body is executed now, after deleting EMP, means when the record deleted, then trigger program is executed. So inside this rollback segment, what data we have, that record we want to store into database table. How it is? Insert into EMP backup. Values of insert into EMP backup. Values of colon over dot employee number, colon over dot email, colon over dot job, colon over dot MGR, colon over dot hire date, colon over dot salary, colon over dot commission, colon over dot DEPTN. Yeah, this is the example, guys. Insert into EMP backup values. If you want to display any status message, you can take the status message as you can display. Put underscore line, backup taken successfully. Trigger created, guys. Yeah. Right, guys. Trigger is created. Now testing. Or record is not available. Okay. Sorry. You are deleting from record from backup, not backup table, huh? Employee table. Yeah, from employee table, I'll delete the record. Delete from EMP where employee record was 7902. Record deleted, after record deleted, after deleting EMP, which record right now you are deleting, that record is taking from rollback segment, insert into backup table. Check your backup table.
Yes.
$20. See? See guys, this is. So this is guys, right? Here I did the record, backup table successfully. Check your backup table. Here department 20 means department 24 employees are there. So 4 records are deleted. So 4 records are taken the backup. See? Right guys. So this is the example guys. To take the employee records backup for auditing purpose. For auditing purpose. Okay. Right. These are the one of the example by using row level trigger. Row level trigger, one example. After delete on EMP table. Okay. Right. Now write a trigger program to calculate employee net salary automatically. Okay, write a trigger program to calculate employees automatically. Net salary I want to take automatically. I want to calculate net salary. Means at the time of employee recruiting. Suppose here we have that employee DB table is there. Employee DB table. What it contains? Employee ID, employee name, salary. Okay, na? Or designation, date of joining, salary. We have one more table like employee salary table. What it contains? Employee ID, basic salary. This is the basic salary. HRA, DA, PF, net sale, and gross sale. So whenever I'm inserting data into this employee database table, the employee salary table, I want to do this all these operations automatically. I want to do how it is. See, first table creation. First table creations first. Create table EMPDB of EID. Actually, these are not required. Okay, simply we take this basics. Okay, logic is important, guys. That's why I remove the other columns. Okay, logic is important. Okay, yes, two tables are created. Okay, guys. Right. Now, suppose insert into EMPDB values of 1001 employee name. Employee name is Ravi. Right now, salary 5,000. Just I insert this record into my employee DB table. Automatically, insert the employee salary table, remaining all these things calculate automatically, sir. How it is? We try to write one trigger program. Simply insert this record. Then after insert this record, once you check this EMP salary, all these are calculated automatically. See, trigger program. Create or replace trigger. Trigger program is EMP. EMP salary trigger. What is the event? After insert on EMPDB. After insert on employee database table. That is. When the record successfully inserted, when the record successfully inserted, then your program is where record inserted in employee DB table. Okay. So I take some variables. Actually, the variables also is not required. You can directly expressions you can write down. That is better actually. Simple logic. Okay. Simple logic we write inside. So when the record successfully inserted, the record again stored in where rollback segment. Rollback segment. Colon EID. How much? 1001. Colon new dot ename Ravi. Colon new dot sal 5,000. This is colon dot EID, colon dot ename, colon dot salary. That is. Right, guys. Right. Now, insert this when this trigger program is executed now, after this record inserted in the employee DB table, then what I can do now? Here, insert into EMP net cell. Sorry, EMP cell values of generally the same program you can write with a different logic. We can declare HRA one variable, DA one variable, PF one variable. Okay, na? Net cell one variable, gross cell one variable. You can take and you can implement the code. Or else simply everything you can apply inside this insert command, guys. How it is? See, what the first column? EID. This is the EID, na? So colon new dot EID. What is next column? HRA. Generally HRA, see, HRA equal to 50%, DA equal to 20%, PF equal to 12%. These are the, sorry, okay. Net cell, gross cell equal to, first net cell, last gross cell. Okay, Volta write down actually. This is the Volta write down. First gross salary, finally net salary. Okay, na? Okay, gross cell formula. Gross cell formula is HRA plus DA minus PF. Basic salary. This is the formula actually. Basic salary plus HRA plus DA minus PF. This is the gross salary. Net salary equal to gross salary minus PF. This is. Means after cuttings, what the deductions are there? After deductions completed, then you will get the net salary. Okay, this is the gross salary, this is the net salary. So these are the formulas actually. So how it is formula? First HRA. What is HRA? 50% on the basic salary. 50% on basic salary. HRE 50%, DA 20%. So what in this employed salary table, what the first column? EID, okay. HRE, DA, PF. HRE we want to calculate. colon new dot basic underscore sal star. How much basic salary? 5,000, huh? New dot basic right now much? 5,000. 5,000 star, HR how much? 50%. Means 0.5, comma, colon new dot, colon new dot, basic sal, star. Next column is HR completed DA. DA 20%. So 0.2, comma, colon dot, basic underscore sal. PF. PF 0.12, that is called 12%. 0.12, that is a 12%. So HRE 50%, basic salary 20%, and PF 12%. Next, actually, okay, I do this one, okay? Because order should be matched, guys. Okay? What is the gross salary? See, I drop the table again, create. Gross salary, na? Next, net salary. This is the order actually, okay? See, gross salary and net salary. All right. Now, what is the gross salary formula? Gross salary formula, basic salary plus HRA plus DA. Na? So, new dot basic salary 5,000 plus HRA. How much HRA? This one. Basic salary star plus DA 20%. This is called gross salary. This is the gross salary. Comma. What is the next one? Here, basic salary plus HRA 50% plus DA 20%. Okay, that is a gross salary. Gross salary we got. Not the net salary. Gross salary minus PF. So already this total expression becomes as gross salary. Na? So gross salary, the total this expression is gross salary minus 12%. Minus 12%. This is completed, sir. Program is completed. Means everything here I write down expressions only. Okay. Here in this program, I am not using any variables, are not using. Everything on expression only. This is for basic salary. Okay. This is for HRA, HRA, DA. This is for okay. All right. So salary calculated successfully. Okay. So in this table, you want basic salary also. Yes, you can apply basic salary also. Basics also you can apply. No issue, guys. You can apply basic salary also. You can apply inside this table. Actually, see, guys, so many model questions are doing inside this table, right? Okay. Here, this is our final table, guys. Employee ID, basic salary, HRA, DA, PF, gross salary, net salary. So here inside this table, EID, okay, here, employee ID. Now you can add basic salary also. Column dot basic underscore salary, comma. Okay, employee ID, basic salary 5,000, HRA 50%, DA 20%, PF 12%. And gross salary calculation, gross salary minus PF, that is net salary calculation. So, old new reference not allowed in this. For each row is missing, guys. For each row, okay? Right, trigger is created, guys. Trigger created, okay? Now, insert into EMPDB values of employee ID, employee name, Ravi, salary 5,000. Yes, sir. Right? Totally that employee will get how much? 7,900. Basic salary 5,000. HRA 2,500. DA 1,000 rupees. PF 600. Gross salary and net salary. Gross salary means all these plus 5,000 plus 2,500, 75, 7 plus 1,000, 85. 85 minus 600 minus 85 minus 600, 79. So here you can insert any record you can insert, guys. Anand 10,000, 1003. Ramesh 15,000. Check your employee DB table. Check your yes. This is the use of our triggers to generate reports automatically. Yes, this is one of the report, no? Right. Okay, guys. So this is the use of our triggers with different types of validations. Right. Now, before insert I completed one event example, after insert completed, before update completed, after delete also complete, right? Now after update also we have one program we discuss. After update. Okay. After update event. Write a trigger program. Write a trigger program when when the student return the book to library, then stock should be updated. Means if you take library, the librarian issue one book to student today. Okay, one book is issued. So right now, currently the status is 10 books are available. When the book is given to student, issue the student, your stock becomes 9, right? Because one book is issued, na? After 10 days or 1 week or 2 days, when the student return the book to library, already 9 is their stock, it should be updated with 10 because book is written, na? This is the program, guys. When the student return a book to library, then stock should be updated. That is. Okay. After second, after update. Okay. Because once you give that program should be understand easily, na? Okay. So we have the two tables are there. One is book master table. What it contains? Student table. Okay. Stock table. Stock DB table. What it contains? Book ID. Book name. Stock. Book ID. Book name. Stock. Transaction table. Book issue table. Transaction ID. Okay. Transaction ID. Student ID. Book ID. Issued books. How many books are issued? One book or two books are date of issue, date of return. Okay. Date of issue, date of return. Date of issue, date of return. Transaction ID, stock, book ID, issued books, date of issue, date of return. Right. Validations. Two validations only. One is when the book issued to when book issued to student, stock should be decrement. Stock should be decrement. When the book return to library, then stock should be updated. Stock should be increment. Two validations. Okay. Suppose we have the book B1. Book ID is a B1. Book name is letter C. Stock 10 books. B2. Oracle. Desh, 10 books are available. So suppose transaction ID 1, student ID S1, book ID B1, one book is issued. Date of issue, today date, means 8th January. 8th January. So date of return is null. Null. Because at the time of issuing book, are you giving date of return? No. Okay. So when the record successfully inserted means when the book is successfully issued. Which book is issued? B1. The B1 should be becomes how much? 9. How much? 9. Okay. After 1 week, student return the book now. So 10th April, 10th January. Return. Then it should be 10. This is my program requirement. When the book is issued, it becomes 9. When the book is returned, it should be 10. This is the condition. To satisfy this now, we should be right. 2 triggers we should be right. One is after insert, after update. Should be right. 2 triggers we should be right. Okay, understand now? Right. This one we'll discuss. Coming session we'll discuss how to implement this one. Okay. Right. So, record learning. What about record sessions are not loading? Showing error when we get. Okay, just you mail to management. Dharani, I also inform to management. Okay, na? Actually, record sessions not my hand actually. Record sessions management will share. Okay. I inform the management. Okay. What the problem is here? Right, guys. Okay. So coming session we'll discuss this program.